This is Worksop, a market town in North Nottinghamshire that most people recognise the name of but very few ever visit. It's not famous, it's not dangerous, and it's definitely not a tourist hotspot, but towns like this make up most of England. Today I want to walk through Worksop and see what life is really like in a forgotten market town. Hey up, welcome to Worksop. Now today I wanted to walk round a forgotten market town here in England, and Worksop is one of them places. So if you want to come with me and have a look, come on, let's go. So this is Worksop, one of the original old market towns that life has seemed to forgot. And we're going to have a walk down this main street, and I believe that there's some markets out. See, there's not many people around for a Wednesday afternoon. I like how it's pedestrianised though, that's good. There's a lot of scooters about. It's like being in Benidorm. Brewer's Yard. There's loads of independent shops here. Some more of them black and white buildings that we saw in Chesterfield. Even has its own cocktail bar. Look. Seems we're getting a little bit busier down here now. And it seems to have got a lot of takeaways. Proper market stalls, all the fresh vegetables. Not much left. Oh, nice oranges. They're shiny. The old army stores. It's a nice pub. The Unicorn. It's like it used to be an hotel. Loads of little independent cafes. And a Vietnamese restaurant. What do these do? Fried beef in lolot leaf. Bo Noang lalot, £11.25. Shrimp po po tom. Any idea? No, me neither. They're even selling rugs, look. You can get everything here. Arcades, Greggs, barbers, even the big name shops. Oh, they sell everything. Oh, they've got a tat shop. Got all that in here. a lot of shops closed in here. This is the Priory shopping centre. I wonder how many people actually do it. It's really sad, isn't it, that towns like this have just been let go. It is like time has forgotten them. Yeah, really sad. Jenny's Cafe Grill's still going though. Plenty of people in. We've got a rock shop, look. Aniseed Candy Heaven. Local offer. Takeaway, and barbers. There's plenty of traffic coming and going, I've got to say. And you know what? There's plenty of people about. Very, very busy little place. Old bingo hall there. Palais de Danse, whatever that means. Right, we'll just have a walk up here. Down the little side streets where people live. I believe there's a cricket club at the end. It's all the homes where people live here in Worksop. Terraced houses. Nowhere to park your car. And it's even got its own bus depot, look. And that river looks a bit high. We have had quite a bit of rain, haven't we, over the last week or so. That looks like it's going to burst. You see here we've got Worksop Cricket Club and squash courts. And I do believe there's a touring caravan site at the end of here as well. So if you want to stay here, then you're very close to the town centre, aren't you? Go out for a bit of a bevy. Right, let's walk back on into town. I will say, if you do want to come here, there's plenty of car parking places. And plenty of places to eat. And we're back to Wetherspoons. Let's go in and have a pint, shall we? We've earned it, I think. Well, it's a Wetherspoons and it's ghost ship for £2.25. Bargain. Cheers. Oh, so nice. Well, that were the Licorice Gardens here in Worksop, the local Wetherspoons. And you could tell, although it was cheap, so you can't complain, can you? So, Worksop, it's not the kind of place you actually plan a trip to, but for thousands of people, this is what they call home. And that's what it is, isn't it? The northern towns, the forgotten market towns. You just got to remember that people still live here. Anyway, that's when we're going to wrap the video up today. Thank you so much for coming with me. Please do hit the like and subscribe button below. Don't forget the hype. And until the next one, from here in Worksop, Goodbye.